What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're doing a quick unboxing of two different parts here. We have a Daniel Defense upper, pretty basic video here, but this is the Brownells Exclusive one. So if you're thinking about picking this up, I want to go ahead and do an unboxing so that way you know what you're getting. So with that, let's go ahead and get into it. To start off, let's do the upper here first. So the exact name that I have here, this is a M4A1 stripped SOCOM upper receiver, handguard only, 14.5 inch, Brownells Exclusive. And it's Daniel Defense. As long as that name is, I'm surprised they didn't put DD or Daniel Defense in there, but that's what it is. So with that, let's go ahead and show you what comes in the box here. So we can just go ahead, open it on up, pull the foam over, and there we go. So as far as what comes in, it's just the upper receiver as described. Doesn't even come with a muzzle device. It does have these grips though, the black, three of them, black rubberized grips. This is the quad rail version, also known as the RIS2 handguard. And then on the receiver here, you can see there's no stamps on this side. And then we do have the Daniel Defense logo here on the other side. But this one, unfortunately, does not have the M4A1 stamp on it right here. So there's the actual upper. As far as what else, looks like they do give you a chamber insert here. So that way, when you put this together, you can use that. And then we have the little inspection card. So whoever RD is on 7/26/23, thank you for inspecting this. Hopefully it runs well. If not, I'll be contacting you. And yeah, that's about it that is it for the upper here. So not a whole lot that comes in the packaging, but this does come at a higher price point. If you go check this out during the time of this video, this is on sale though right now. Plus, if you use the link on my link tree and then use code 1STSHOT10, it's gonna get you 10% off, bringing this down to a much lower price point. And that's actually why I did end up picking this up right now. So now's the best time. Go check it out if you're looking to pick one of these up as well. All right, moving the box aside, the next thing let's get into is the actual bolt carrier group. So these don't come as a package deal. I bought this separately. And specifically, this is the Daniel Defense bolt carrier group. It's the 5.56 by 45 for M16 black phosphate bolt carrier group. And that's what it is on Brownells if you're looking for this one. I'm pretty sure this is the only one Brownells has, so you can't go wrong with it. Let's go ahead and get this out of the package, see what does come with it here. So we'll open the flaps here, then we'll use this little tab, pull this guy out. Wow, nice packaging. Then we'll go ahead and open this, and there we go. We have our bolt carrier group here in the cardboard. We can go ahead and get this out of the package here in a sec. And do we get a sticker or anything? No. Very sad. So we paid for some packaging, but no sticker. The bolt carrier, let's actually get this out of the package here. Take a look at it. So here it is, again, black phosphate. It does have the DD Daniel Defense logo on the side here, which is kind of odd because in the picture they didn't have this on the product picture for Brownells, but it does come on it, which is cool because I think it's cool to flash the Daniel Defense on your bolt carrier group, let the people know that you're not poor, and there you go. Other than that, just a high quality out of the box bolt carrier group. Obviously, my whole thought process in this is matching a Daniel Defense bolt carrier group with a Daniel Defense upper is going to work best in this situation, hopefully with the tolerances and fitting being much more accurate. So pretty simple video here, but again, hopefully this was helpful for anyone looking to pick up a bolt carrier group or a Daniel Defense upper. Again, this is the Brownells Exclusive. Check my link tree and use my code 1STSHOT10, and that's going to save you 10% off. And this is already on sale, so adding that to it, it's a no-brainer to pick one of these up right now. Super pumped to get this going here. All you have to do is put a muzzle device on, suppressor if you want then, attach this to your lower that you have, and then just add your charging handle in the bolt carrier group, and you're good to go. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. If you got questions, let me know down in the comments. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.